Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and as good as some of you might think I'm in Corel Draw, I'm not to this caliber. So I had a picture of a chimney that a neighbor of mine wants to make stickers for our community, and here's where I took it in Corel. I could have spent many hours, and I actually took the better of the two photographs, straight on versus the one that at an angle. And I sent it off to have vectorized, and I'm not going to butcher his name, but there's his email. I don't know where he's from. I had a couple people on Facebook recommend him. He has a Facebook page called Vector Pal. If we look at that's his page, and he's got a couple examples. He doesn't really self-promote himself too much, but he's done some pretty good work and did really good work for my project. And I normally don't recommend people, but if you have one you can't get done, and I'm going to post his Facebook page at the bottom of the video, and there's his email address. And a couple people recommended him. I sent out a question, and they recommended a couple people, and I sent him a request, and he turned this around in probably a half a day. I didn't ask him for any hurry or special treatment. I just told him what I wanted. I've added the tree because it's chimney oaks, but he did the chimney part, and it is outstanding. It's exactly what I wanted, and I couldn't have done it better. And I couldn't have probably never done this. But anyway, give him a shout. Send him your image when you need some help. And I hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching.